Assalamu alaikum students, be ready. Para. It is nobody's case that any of the conditions was not satisfied full stop. In fact, the formal transfer order dated 21 July 1979, in favor of the school contains a reference to the order of 7th May 1962 and condition number 1 mentioned above without any doubt about its fulfillment full stop. Regarding the condition number 2 also, the transfer order does not show that it was not fulfilled by the transferee school full stop. Had it been otherwise, the transfer order could not be in favor of inverted comma the school inverted comma, and indeed someone including the respondent might then have raised an objection to this transfer full stop, but there was none full stop. Thus, the ownership of the plot in this case is that of inverted comma the school inverted comma as distinguished from the building and properties owned by the inverted comma individual owners inverted comma but occupied by the schools as tenants or otherwise under the owner full stop. The fact that the respondent comma after the ejectment of the appellants and their school is also running school at the same place for a public purpose as stated by his learned counsel would not make any difference in so far as the aforenoted transfer made for public purpose to the school is concerned full stop. It will not clothe him with the ownership of the plot which was stated earlier is the only basis in this case for right to recover rent. The rationale for claiming relationship of landlord and tenant full stop para. The ownership of superstructure on the plot presents not only a different picture but also a difficult factual problem full stop. The ownership of the plot required determination with reference to the settlement law and orders passed thereunder semicolon, but the ownership of the building is being claimed for other reason by both sides full stop. This needs factual determination full stop. The respondent does not deny the contribution of the appellants in raising the structure comma but at the same time asserts his own contribution full stop. Evidence could not and has not been received in this court regarding the exact position with each party's contribution full stop. The argument of the learned counsel for the respondent to claim for him the ownership of the building on the basis of Punjab government letter dated 17 January 1978 is of no avail to him in the circumstances of this case full stop para. This direction related to the buildings which belonged to the former managements whether they are individual ordinary owners or transferee owners from the settlement department and not to the buildings or plots owned by the schools themselves by way of transfer from the settlement department as in this case full stop. Similarly, any other general action of the government recognizing the former type of owners as landlords or owners entitled to receive rent is not of any help to the respondents full stop. We are also not impressed by the argument of the learned counsel for the respondent that the education code would clothe the respondents with the ownership or right to receive the rent for the building without actual proof of its ownership full stop. It has to be proved like any other similar fact full stop. There is no escape or shortcut for him full stop.